Okay, guys. Now, according to what we did, so we should be expecting this kind of result. So with this, when we click here, when we submit now, we get 5 marks. When we submit now, we get 3 marks, and when we submit for the rest of the time, we get 1 mark. But concerning the quiz competition, we don't expect a participant to answer more than once. Okay, so we have to create get do the software in a way that when you get an answer, when you get a score, that's when you submit once and get a score. No matter how many times you click, your score remains there. Your score remains your score. You understand? So when we click on when we submit in 30 seconds, we should get a score of 5. And even when we click again after then, we should still get our score of 5. All right. So this should be easy. This should be easy. So the idea is to simply create a condition, to put in a condition that states that if there is a score already existing here, then the score should remain constant. If not, then the score should follow this condition. All right. Okay. So let's get right into it. So to achieve this, we are going to cut this button off, cutting it off, and then we are making use of the ternary operators. So say score. So if score exists, all right, then we pass this in. Then if it doesn't exist, we'll paste this also. Now the difference here should be that if it exists, then this condition should no longer run. Okay. So if we already have a score there, this condition should no longer run. All right, let's remove this. Let's delete this condition. So we have it out. Then we save. All right. Now let's refresh. All right, we refresh now. When we click submit now, we get 5 marks. Okay. When we try submitting again, it doesn't change. It doesn't change. You can see I'm clicking on it. It doesn't change. So we already have the score of 5, and the score of 5 remains constant. Okay, so you can see. Let's try it again for 3 marks. All right. So let's wait for it to get to 6 seconds. All right. Okay. Now we submit. We get 3 marks. Let's see if it can change. All right. We click on it. It doesn't change. So we get this perfectly. Now, but there's something we should not always need. We don't always need to refresh this to for the score here to be null, to be cleaned up. Okay, so we simply put a simple command on this, on the restart button. We add an extra command that says on click the set score, all right, should be null. So we say the set score should be null and save. Then on restart, it starts counting and there is nothing here. So if we choose here, we get our score, and whenever we click again, it remains there. All right, thank you for watching.